Well, hi, and welcome back to my channel. This is Zina, and I'm the Vegan Warrior Princess, and that is a Tofurky Vegan Ham that I've made for the first time ever. Those are 2 portions for my dogs and for myself. It was absolutely delicious. I put whole cloves, and I forgot to put the gravy on those potatoes and mushrooms, but I did slather it with gravy before I consumed it. All of my presents have been opened. That's my little Charlie Brown apartment Christmas tree that I'm so proud of. It's a perfect size. That little sweet pea is Massimo, and there's Cheyenne. They're chowing down on their ham, potatoes, and mushrooms. They loved it so, so much. It was just such a joy to watch them devour that food. And look at them go. My goodness, so cute. Diving right into this look, I already had foundation on, which I used this time Pure Cosmetics Bare It All 12-Hour 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Foundation, which is really nice. I found it yesterday and decided to use it for this look. I'm also using the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette to create some shading on the side of my face for this Rudolph look, and I'm trying to create sort of wispy, furry sort of a look, which you'll see in a bit that I kind of like buff out a little bit and make it a little softer, which adds a neat little effect. Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, we all love so much. For this look, I'm making exaggerated strokes upward to my forehead, and I think it'd be nice for this sort of like furry presentation. Really going to town with that Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, but I want to get a full bushy effect on those eyebrows. Next, I am back into that NYX Highlight and Contour Palette in the darkest shade for a dramatic transition. I've already done the other side. Figured I'd speed things up a little bit, and I took the contour right down to my nose to create like a pinch look. That is from Jeffree Star's Alien palette. That is the black shade. Once again, creating a nice dramatic look for Rudolph. Next, I am using NYX Professional Makeup Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, creating a little white floof for Rudolph. Next, I'm using the same eye pencil and creating Rudolph's little snout. While I'm painting my snoot, I just thought I'd take a minute to say that this is my first Christmas in Scottsdale, Arizona. I just recently moved from Florida, and I received the most beautiful gifts from my friends and family, and even though I was experiencing a little bit of the holiday blues, they certainly snapped me out of my funk with all of the love, and I'm truly, truly appreciative. Putting a little NYX pencil under my eyes to create a very large cartoonish eye look. Adding a little more detail to my cheeks, and I'm trying to create a nice soft, furry, sort of wispy look with my NYX contour palette. And I'm continuing this softening and blending wispy process all the way down my neck into my floof. And now I'm creating little spots for Rudolph, the signature little white reindeer spots. So cute. I post all of my finished looks on Instagram. I'm very active on that social media platform. I do dabble in Twitter, but I spend most of my time on Instagram. I will put the links down below. Please follow me there. Tag me if you like in some of your looks. I would love to see them. This was my favorite part of this Rudolph look. I did Rudolph's signature red nose with Jeffree Star's new liquid lipstick shade in Hi, How Are Ya? It's a really beautiful red. Now I'm taking NYX black liquid eyeliner and I'm just going to town doing all kinds of accents. I'm doing exaggerated, cartoonish eyelashes right there, lower eyelashes, and I'm creating lines for like a comic book cartoon look. I've never tried to do this makeup before, and I've seen 1,000,001 different looks with this and technique, and so I thought I'd give it a shot. I learned some things here while I was doing this, so there are a couple things I'm going to do differently next time I attempt this look, but I really had fun with my first ever comic book accent sort of makeup look. I've discovered that drawing these lines on my ears was actually the hardest part of doing this look, so I kind of botched it up a little bit, so judge me kindly. There I am creating some more lines. This part was so much fun. I had no idea what I was doing, so I was just kind of taking my time and really having fun with it. I've selected NYX's white eyeliner now, and I'm going back everywhere where I've drawn a black line and putting a white one right next to it. Isn't this music cute? I found it on YouTube. It's a copyright-free Harry Potter-esque music. I thought we all needed a little break from Christmas-themed music, and I've gone with this one, and I'm pretty satisfied with it. Again with the ears, my goodness, it is not easy to draw a line in your earpiece. I'm here to tell you, if you've ever tried it, that was the most challenging. Ew. And now we're going to finish this look with a little bit of bright pink blush from e.l.f. And we are done. This is one of about 7,000 pictures I had taken at the end of this look. I have so much fun with this hobby, but yet I have such a difficult time taking pictures once I'm done with the makeup creation. A few more pictures and I think I'm ready to wash this look off. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had a Merry Christmas. Have a very Happy New Year. Peace and love to all of you. Don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe, and share. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.